The new variable speed oscillating multi-tool from Genesis has a powerful 3.5 amp motor and a 3.7 degree oscillating angle, so you can cut wood, nails, drywall, and cement board faster than ever before. Your Genesis multi-tool has the versatility to flush cut, plunge cut, scrape, sand, remove grout, and much more. Accessory changes are a breeze. Just a flip of a lever and you have a new accessory in place and you are back to work. Variable speed helps you match the tool perfectly to the job. A complete line of Genesis accessories is available. Your Genesis multi-tool comes in a complete kit with 16 accessories, an accessory storage box, and a carrying bag, backed with a 2-year factory warranty and US-based customer service and technical support.